Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got something here that I'm going to unbox that a lot of you have been looking for. They've been out of them online. I got this one on Amazon. Took a little while to come in, but I think they're in stock now. Basically what it is it's this piece right here. And it goes under your hood. I'll have to figure out which side is the the right side. But this right here goes underneath your hood. Boop, and helps keep the engine heat and everything kind of dissipated, and also keeps the noise down. I think it'll be more for noise. And one thing I've noticed on the 2025 Toyota Tacoma SR5 compared to the 25 SR5 4Runner is this engine's a little noisier. It might just be me, might be the exhaust, might be the setup of the vehicle. I know in the 4Runner, even though they're both SR5s, the 4Runner has a little softer steering, and it's a little quieter in the cabin and rides completely different. It sits in the front 2.5 inches lower than the Tacoma, the 4Runner does. So I'm going to lift it up. They're both four-wheel drive, nearly identical. I'm going to do a video on that about the differences between the two, just the little subtle ones that you might not notice. So anyways, let's get this little insulator thing installed, and then let's see how it does. We'll see. And I figure this won't be really something I can test, from inside the car or out. I might notice it a little driving, but, we'll see. I'll let you know if I notice a difference. All right. Okay. It goes like this. You can see this little place where it kind of humps up here. That fits up inside. And one thing I'm going to do before I do this is cover the engine. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to cover the engine so, in case I drop anything. I don't want to, lose some clips, and that happens. So let's do that. I've got some clips right here, and just a little diagram. It has this barcode here, or this QR code, and I've checked it out. It's just a video with some music of somebody doing exactly what I'm doing, but I guess it's the manufacturer, maybe. Not sure. Let's go ahead and do this. Should be pretty easy. These little rubber silicone things, you can pick these up at Harbor Freight or on Amazon. I'll put links under the video in the description to this insulator pad and these rubber things. They work great. Great for holding all your parts. I'm going to put most of these little clips together, so then all I have to do is push them in. They're real easy that way. Man, it is getting hot today. Wow. Sign of the times. I remember warm days back when I was a kid in the 70s. We were fishing shirtless in the winter. It wasn't every year, but occasionally. But this gradual climbing of the heat every year is just making things weird. But it has happened in the past. So, really messes up the fishing, that's for sure. That's working pretty good. This is real easy. Oh yeah. It's got a lot of these holes, so makes it very easy. There are holes right there. Sure is. We got one more to get to right there. I'm going to have to get a little ladder for that. pretty good. And I've got a couple extra clips. I don't see any extra holes. That's it. Alrighty. Let's put this here. Let's take this. Get this off. I can already feel the mosquitoes napping at my head, biting my legs. Let's start this thing. You hear it with the engine bay open. All right. Now let's try it. Get that on there. It's pretty neat. There you have it. I installed the insulator on the inside of the Tacoma. I'll let you see how it sounded. There it is right there. Goes under the hood. They put these on the higher end. I think the Land Cruisers get these, and maybe the limited models of the Tacoma and the 4Runner. I'm not exactly sure. I do believe the Land Cruiser definitely has one. You can get these from a couple of different people, and it's you can check Amazon or eBay or wherever. I'll put links under the video in the description if that's something you're looking for. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. You can watch all my other videos on all my other vehicles that I've had in the past or I have now. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos on all different things, including these cars. And that's all I got for you today. So, like I said, please subscribe if you can. Please check out my links to these products and stuff. And I hope this helps out. Well, have a great day. See ya.